Alright guys, we're at our speed run spot again, and we're gonna take our LC12 out for a little spin. We're running with what we run on the track just to see what our track speeds are. We're running with our new Surpass Hobby. Let me show you. The Surpass Hobby 2845, running with our Urgenex 50C Lipos and a 60 amp ESC, and we got the Dumbo gyro. So this shouldn't be too terribly fast. I'm hoping for 30s maybe, you know. That's what my hope is. Should only take a minute. Get the clips back on. And it is Halloween night. Nobody's out tonight. Not as many as I expected. Man, these poor kids nowadays don't know what fun is. Missing the 90s. Anyways, it shouldn't need too much room. Full speed. Full speed. Brakes work good. Alright, let's bring her in and see what we got. It might help if I hit play. Hold on. Let's try that again, guys. Let's try that again. Hopefully we're getting this. Come on, play. Got to acquire satellites. Oh, that was easy. See, we're at 4 miles an hour. Try that again. There we go. So what you guys guess? I'm guessing 35. Love that sound. Woo! See what I call it? Right on the button, 35. Man, I am good. Alright, that's all this is for. Hopefully you guys dig. Like and subscribe and all that. And I'll see you when I see ya. Peace.